Hello everyone, if you're looking to log into your Temu account with the latest update, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Temu account with the newest login process. Whether you're using the Temu app or the website, the process is simply same. Now go to temu.com. Now on the home page, you can simply find sign in option. Let me show you, or you can simply go to Temu sign in page. After you've done that, simply click on the first link, and here you may need to enter your email address. Simply enter your email address. After that, click on continue and enter your password. Now if you've linked any of other account like this, Google, Facebook or Apple, you can even log in faster by using one of these options. And after that, Temu has added a new security feature for logging in. If it's your first time logging in from a new device or location, you may be asked to verify your identity with a one-time password sent to your email or phone number. Just enter the code you received and you'll be signed in instantly. And that's it. That's how you simply log into your Temu account with the new update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.